I will tell you this, my wife, we took my money from the school because the school gave me some money to spend, and we're going to get a camcorder that records an hour and is a little bit better focused than that. You know, we're going to get rid of the old school. Now, if you remember, I told you you had to have a 1 out here, right? You had to have a what? A 1. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to divide everything by 36. I'm going to divide this one by 36. 36, 36. 9 over 36 reduces. You're going to start writing and leaving room between those. Yeah, leave room in your notes. You cannot scrunch this stuff up. Write big. Okay? 9 over 36 reduces to a 4. And 4 over 36 reduces to a 9. Do not think they always work like that where these two numbers just change places and end up in the denominator. That's not true, okay? If that was true, do you think I would have done all this work? No. I'm too lazy to do all that work. And there you go. And then, of course, you can make that 2 squared and 3 squared if you need to, or you can leave it 9 and 4. But that's how you change from the old school form to the usable form. I like that. Is that doable? Now, when I assign these, you don't have to graph them. The book says to graph them. All I want you to do on these, we've already done enough of the long graphing, right? If you do that graphing, you know how to graph. On these, all I'm going to have you do is change them from this form to the graphable form. All right? Because you've already done the graphs, you'll know how to do that. Now, let's see what else I'm thinking about. Someone says you may only work one of those. All right. It will show up under your assignments later. Okay? But I'm going to go ahead and tell you what we're going to do is what will show up. In the 9.1, if you look, there is 31 through 49. Nope, don't even worry about 49. Don't put it on the graph. 31 through 47 odd. The first 4 are rewriting them like this, and then the next little group is they tell you about it and you write the formula. Okay? So 31 through 47 odd. Now, when you look for the answers, if you look at the very end of the module, it's in the module. Yeah, and this is in the module that you have already about ellipses. Yeah, you just got to find the pages that it's on. Right there. Okay? And now, if yeah, it's in the assignments, it should be there. Let's see. Let's make sure it is. Yeah, it's in modules. I'm sorry. It's always in the modules, Evans. If you're trying to find how to find, yeah, right there. Unit 1 PDF, ellipses, circles, and I believe it is. I had to have a 5th grader show me how to do some stuff on the computer this weekend. I called my buddy that's a principal at the Caddo Career Center, and I said, hey man, I need to know how to make a YouTube page. He said, well, let me get my son on the phone. His son's in the 5th grade. I should have signed, no I'm not. I should have signed you these too, but I'm not. You don't need that many. You don't need that many. I already gave you some. Okay. Let's see. Keep going. Okay, we've done that. Okay, we've done that. Here we go. These are the ones I signed right here. 33, 31, 33. Here. And probably should have signed the other 4, but if you do those 4, that'll be enough. Because you're going to do this for circles too. You have to do this system for several. Now, and if you look a little bit below here, here's the ones that I just talked about, where they give you the information. See if we can tell what page it's on. I think it's on page 5, but that is slow. Now, do not walk up here and handle this book. Y'all aren't supposed to handle any of the paper and stuff I've been handling, right? But if you want, and you want to walk up here and take a picture with your phone to make it easier than looking on there, just walk up here and take a picture of it with your phone if you want to. Okay? And the answer key, if you check for this book, the answer key is on the page with them. All right? But if you want to take pictures of the answer key, it's right there on the pages. All right? But if that makes it easier for you. All right, you can turn that off. I'm done for the day.